Hello, Thomas here again. I'm going to be showing you through some of the things I've been playing around with in the new Live 11 beta. One of those things is the MPE stuff. So Live 11 now has MPE support. It allows for a number of things, but one of those things is per note pitch bends. So usually pitch bend will change the pitch of all notes being played at that point in time, whereas MPE allows you to pitch bend particular notes within a chord, for example. So kind of a nice way of taking advantage of this is to say change the inversion of a chord or the voicing of a chord while it's being played. So I've got kind of a long held 2-chord progression here, and in the MPE settings I can select a note and then pitch bend that note by a number of semitones. Given that I just want to change the inversion, what I'll do is I'll take like this note, for example, and move one of the notes up to an octave above where it was. And you get this kind of sliding transition from one inversion to another. I could do the same sort of thing with this one over here. And then further to that, I guess, rather than just changing the inversion, I could just change the chord itself. So say here, I could move it to the 6th. And yeah, we get this nice kind of fluid movement between chords, as opposed to just like programmed in notes where you're transitioning straight from one chord